Did you know that millions of research papers are rejected every year because of incorrect citations? If you're using YouTube videos as a source, you must cite them properly. Otherwise, your work could be flagged for plagiarism. But don't worry, in this video, I'll break down the exact steps to cite a YouTube video in APA format, whether you're a student, researcher, or just someone who wants to do things the right way. You're in the right place. Now let's dive in. First, let's answer the big question: why do we even need to cite YouTube videos? Well, in today's digital world, YouTube is a goldmine of educational content. You can find experts' talk, tutorials, and real-world case studies. But here's the catch: if you don't give proper credit, you could face serious academic penalties. So, how do you cite a YouTube video in APA format? The formula is simple: YouTube channel name, year, month, day, video title, YouTube URL. Let's see an example from our channel. Say you're citing a video from YTSEO course published on March 5th, 2025. The citation would look like this: YTSEO course 2025 March 5, 7 worst money mistakes to avoid when you are broke. Video, YouTube. Then the link below. Sounds easy? Well, there's more to it. A lot of people get YouTube citations wrong. Some forget to italicize the video title, while others mistakenly use the uploader's real name instead of the channel name. Don't make these mistakes. Now, what if you need to cite a YouTube video inside your research paper? This is called an in-text citation. The standard format is within bracket YouTube channel name, comma, year. Example, YTSEO course, comma, 2025. And if you want to cite a specific timestamp, just add it at the end like this: within bracket, YTSEO course, comma, 2025, comma, 2:15. Yes, it's that easy. But what if the video has no clear author or no date? In that case, use n.d. within inverted commas instead of the year. The example is YouTube channel name n.d. within bracket, video title, then video italicized within bracket, youtube.url. Here's some shocking: over 50% of the students don't cite YouTube sources correctly. And guess what? Professors and journal reviewers are increasingly checking digital sources. If you don't follow the right format, your hard work could be dismissed. To summarize, always include YouTube channel name, date the video was published, full video title in italics, video tag, full YouTube link. Before you go, let's talk about a few more common mistakes to avoid. Forgetting to use italics for the video title, using the real name of the uploader instead of the channel name, leaving out the access date, though APA 7 does not require it anymore. Now, if you're officially an expert in citing YouTube videos in APA format, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more academic hacks. See you in the next video.